Ateneo's history. Because after almost 165 years of being an all-boys institution, we have finally welcomed our very first grade 7 female students in the Ateneo de Manila Junior High School.
Opisyal nating sinisimulan ang co-ed setup sa Ateneo Junior High School. Mainit at malugod nating tanggapin ang mga kauna-unahang female students ng Ateneo Junior High School.